Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix your keyboard not working on Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. So sometimes you may find yourself in situations where your default keyboard isn't working. In that case, you're gonna have to go to Settings and go to System and open Keyboard menu, then select On-Screen Keyboard, and now enable one of the keyboards that allows the keyboard access, not just voice typing. Make sure that Gboard is selected as the default one, or if you want to use a different keyboard, you can enable it and then use it instead. Sometimes it takes some time for the changes to be applied so that you can start using the separate keyboard. And if this doesn't solve the issue for you, you can also go to the Apps menu. You can select your keyboard application from All Apps section, for example Gboard, and now in order to reset the settings of this keyboard, you have to go to Storage and Device, clear the cache and the storage of this keyboard, and after that re-enable it in the keyboard menu. Now the other keyboard I had installed here is the SwiftKey keyboard, and let's find it here, Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, and we can reset it in the same way. And then let's go back to the keyboard menu and try to re-enable our keyboard, one of them at least. I'm gonna go with the Gboard in my case. So I'm gonna enable Gboard and I'm gonna disable SwiftKey. As I said before, sometimes it takes some time. And right now my Gboard is active. Now you can also try to restart your phone for the changes to be applied properly. But that's basically it. That's the solution to your issue. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.